How to change Siri voice in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option Siri. Now click on Siri. After clicking on Siri, then here you can see the option voice. Now click on voice. Now here you can change your Siri voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Now here you can select a language.
The colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky.
So this is the way to change Siri language in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.